Welcome to our plant. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how private jets are assembled, step by step. Be sure to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Through a meticulous process of heat and pressure, we engineer materials that are incredibly lightweight yet exceptionally strong, optimizing flight performance.
The pressure is spiking in Sector 4. Rerouting coolant now. Stand by.
Alignment is confirmed on the main spar.
Copy that. Proceed with locking sequence.